Hello, I'm going to show how to approve an overtime request using the iCoStaffTime management console. So we're currently signed in as Jane, who is a manager at Best Events, which is set up to include the ability for members of staff to request overtime, and we're looking at Best Events overtime screen. When Amelia submits an overtime request that requires approval because one of the approval rules did not pass, it appears in the Pending Approval tab. We can see who it was from, when it was for, and the total number of hours. You can see a list of the rules which did not pass when the submission was made. In this case, that manual approval was required. Let's accept this overtime request. This request will then be removed from the Pending Approval tab. Recent approvals can be viewed in the Approvals in the Last Month tab. This will also contain any submissions which have been automatically approved. The overtime balance can be seen in the Balance tab. In this case, we're looking at the figures for 2016. To see Amelia's overtime in more detail, we can click on her name. This allows you to enter an overtime request on their behalf. The bottom tab shows all submissions which have been made for this year and whether they have been approved or declined. The buttons on the right-hand side can be used to revise a previous decision. To view all the details concerning this overtime request, you can click on the link. This includes who and when made the approval. And that concludes this demonstration.